Do you know Bangle is in English? The surprising origin story. Hello everyone, I'm Mr Farhan, bringing you some facts about the English language. On today's episode of Do You Know About This? We'll be talking about a common English word which has a very fascinating origin. The word is bangle. Do you know that the word bangle is actually Marathi in origin? That's right, the word bangle comes from the word bangri, which means glass bracelet. Across South Asia, a region that covers India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Bhutan, bangles are much more than simple jewelry. They are a profound cultural symbol, particularly for women. While young girls may wear them, bangles are considered an essential element of a married woman's identity in South Asian societies. Their importance is highlighted in the context of marriage. Interestingly, tradition holds that breaking the glass or lacquer bangles of a bride is a sign of bad fortune. Now, let's go through the pronunciation. Bangle. Bangle. Right, now you try. Excellent. Now, some people may confuse between a bangle and a bracelet, and the terms are often used interchangeably. But there are distinct differences. Well, the simplest way to think about it is all bangles are bracelets. But not all bracelets are bangles. A bracelet is the general term for any piece of jewelry worn around the wrist. A bangle is a specific type of bracelet. If you try to put it on and you have to slide it over your hand, now that is a bangle. However, if you have to fasten it closed around your wrist, that is a bracelet. That's it for now on this episode of Did You Know About This? I'm Mr. Farhan. I'll see you next time. Bye!